To transfer money from the Combank digital website in 2023, follow these steps. First, go to the Combank digital website and log in to your account using your username and password. If you are a new user, you will need to register for an account by providing the required information and verifying your identity. Once you are logged in, click on the Payments tab and select the Transfer option. You will then need to enter the recipient's account details, including their account number and bank name. Make sure to double-check the account details to avoid any errors. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer and select the payment method. You can choose to transfer funds from your savings account, current account, or credit card. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. You will then be asked to confirm the transaction by entering a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number or email address. This is a security measure to protect your account from unauthorized transactions. After confirming the transaction, you will receive a confirmation message with the transaction reference number. Keep this number safe for future reference. You can also view the transaction history to check the status of your transfer. To ensure a smooth transfer process, make sure your account has sufficient funds and that the recipient's account details are accurate. It is also a good idea to check the transfer limits and fees associated with your account before initiating a transfer. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from the Combank digital website in 2023. Remember to always prioritize security and verify the recipient's account details to avoid any errors or disputes. The Combank digital website provides a convenient and secure way to manage your finances and transfer money to anyone, anywhere in the world.